Welcome home. Let's explore the beauty and simplicity of contemporary interior design. Contemporary style is all about creating spaces that feel fresh, airy, and incredibly welcoming right from the start. It embraces open floor plans, maximizing natural light and seamless flow between living spaces. The core philosophy is less is more. It focuses on simplicity, subtle sophistication, and deliberate use of texture. Every piece of furniture and decor has a purpose, ensuring the home remains beautifully organized and highly functional. What exactly is contemporary style? Unlike modern design tied to the mid-20th century, contemporary means of the moment. It is a dynamic, constantly evolving aesthetic that borrows from modernism, minimalism, and other global styles. In contemporary interiors, space itself is treated as a crucial design element. It's about the open areas between the furniture. You will notice a strong emphasis on line and form. Strong vertical and horizontal lines are visible in architectural details. The ultimate goal is to craft a serene, uncluttered reality. It's a sophisticated sanctuary designed for everyday living. Contemporary furniture is streamlined and simple, featuring smooth surfaces, clean lines, and no unnecessary ornamentation. It celebrates geometry. Strong shapes and sharp angles create a structured yet dynamic energy within the room. Reflective surfaces like glass, polished metal, and high-gloss finishes add glamour and a sense of open, bright space. Lighting is crucial. Natural light is maximized during the day, replaced by warm, functional, and decorative fixtures at night. Distinctive architectural details, such as high ceilings, exposed brick, or concrete, are often highlighted to add character. The foundation of the contemporary palette is strictly neutral. Crisp whites, versatile grays, and warm beiges define the base. Black is used strategically as an accent color, providing grounding, contrast, and sophisticated depth to the neutral backdrop. Don't shy away from color. Incorporate a singular, bold hue through accessories like throw pillows, rugs, or a piece of large art. Natural elements provide essential warmth. Look to wood, leather, and stones in their earthy, natural tones for texture. This curated mix of colors and materials sets the stage for the specific elements that define contemporary spaces. Metals like stainless steel, brushed nickel, and matte black bring a sleek, modern edge to contemporary spaces. Generous use of glass, from massive windows to sleek, transparent furniture, maximizes natural light and visual space. Polished concrete and smooth stone surfaces provide a grounding, durable foundation with subtle, organic textures. Soft fabrics like linen, wool, and natural leather add crucial warmth and tactile contrast to hard architectural surfaces. Let's explore room by room. In the living area, float your furniture away from the walls to promote an open, airy traffic flow. Anchor the space with a low-profile, streamlined sofa in a solid neutral fabric, avoiding heavy patterns or excessive cushions. Decorate with restraint. Choose one large, impactful piece of abstract art, rather than a cluttered gallery of small frames. The contemporary bedroom is a true sanctuary, defined by uncluttered surfaces, clean lines, and a calming, neutral color palette. Layer simple, high-quality textiles like crisp cotton and textured linen to create a plush, inviting bed without fussy styling. Opt for sleek, wall-mounted sconces or minimalist pendant lights to keep nightstands clear and maximize space. The contemporary kitchen is a sleek, highly functional masterpiece characterized by unadorned surfaces and minimal clutter. Flat panel, handleless cabinets are essential, creating a seamless, architectural look that feels clean and spacious. A large central island serves as both a practical prep area and a casual, stylish gathering space for family and friends. Hide appliances behind custom cabinetry panels, or choose sleek, flush-mounted stainless steel models for a clean flow. Dedicate specific zones, like a streamlined baking station with a smooth backdrop and completely concealed storage. The contemporary bathroom is a serene, spa-like retreat, focusing on generous space, calming neutrals, and sleek fixtures. Floating vanities are a hallmark, creating an illusion of more floor space while providing essential hidden storage solutions. Embrace completely frameless glass walk-in showers with flush linear drains to maintain unbroken visual lines. Lighting is strategic. Use sleek vertical mirror sconces and soft under-cabinet lighting for a functional ambient glow. Carry consistent colors, flat panel doors, and complementary materials seamlessly from room to room for a cohesive home. The most crucial tip is to ruthlessly declutter. Invest in concealed, floor-to-ceiling storage to hide everyday items. Soften strict architectural lines by introducing lush, realistic potted plants. Avoid fussy or artificial floral arrangements. Pay attention to the silhouette. Choose furniture with strong, distinct geometric shapes that double as functional art. Keep window treatments incredibly simple. Opt for sleek, motorized roller shades or hidden track blinds to maintain clean lines. Embrace negative space. Don't feel the need to fill every corner. Let empty areas allow your architecture and art to breathe. Keep your foundation neutral so you can effortlessly update your home with the latest trends using easy-to-swap accessories. Ultimately, a contemporary home is a deeply calming, practical sanctuary. It is a space designed for modern, stress-free living. By focusing on line, form, and space rather than decoration, the style remains remarkably fresh and perpetually of the moment. It provides a beautiful, disciplined canvas that allows your carefully chosen personal items to truly shine without clutter. Thank you for joining our tour. Embrace the simplicity of contemporary design to create your own trendy, peaceful home today.